Here's how you can redeem your gold vouchers and buy real gold on Paytm for Business app. Open your Paytm for Business app. Go to the Wealth and Insurance section and select Save in Gold. You will be redirected to your Paytm Gold Locker. Here, you can view the live gold price. You can choose to buy gold either by price in rupees or quantity in grams. Enter the amount or quantity of gold you wish to buy. Scroll down to see your available gold voucher. Select it, tap on Apply, and complete the payment for the remaining amount. Once your payment is successful, you'll see an investment details screen showing your gold purchase summary. Your gold is now safely added to your Paytm Gold Locker. You can check your live gold balance anytime from this locker. If you wish to withdraw your gold or convert it back into cash, go to the Paytm Gold section. At the bottom, tap on Withdraw Gold and select the Cash in Bank option. Choose the option to sell gold, either by amount in rupees or quantity in grams. Then tap Proceed. On the next screen, enter your UPI ID or bank account details, then tap Continue to sell. The amount will be credited to your selected account. And it's done.
Paytm karo.